hindi nag-soften, kundi meron talaga silang kagustuhan na pabalik sa jurisdiction ng ICC. Basta ako, sige ako, klaruhin ko, whatever the stand of this government, laban bawi man ito or talagang iba ang sinasabi, iba ang ginagawa, ang sa akin is I'm ready to face it because alam ko, kahit anong sabihin nila, Article 127 of the Rome Statute ay very clear na magti-trigger lang yung jurisdiction ng court, meaning the ICC, once nakapag-hingi ng permiso yung prosecutor from the court to conduct investigation, mati-trigger yung jurisdiction. But yung pag-request ng permission from the court to conduct investigation ay ginawa nila almost 2 years na from the effectivity of our withdrawal. Kaya nga sinabi doon sa dalawang judges na gumawa ng very strong dissenting opinion doon sa ginawa nating appeals, no, yung sa appeals court, appellate court ng ICC. Sinabi nila talaga na wala silang jurisdiction. Kaya kaso lang natalo yung dalawa dahil 3 yung bumoto kasi yung ating Solicitor General failed to discuss yung about jurisdiction, yung temporal jurisdiction doon sa kanilang ginawang pleading sa appeals court. So, very confident ako. Pag dumating tayo sa judicial relief from the Supreme Court, confident ako na hindi talaga i-recognize ng ating bansa yung ICC na yan.